welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a Ruger 1022 do this. So you pull the bolt back and you lock it with this thing, and it's a pain to unlock most of the time, so you can modify it so you pull it back and release and it'll go forward by itself. So we're going to be doing that with this gun here. So how you do it, you got two different Allen keys, which is kind of stupid, but you got one for this and one for here. I already loosened all the screws. So you just slide this thing off, take this screw out, put the safety in the middle, and then pop this whole piece up and out. Put the stock off to the side. And then you can use your Allen keys or a punch or whatever, and you just pop these pins out right here, and take the trigger group out. And then you got these two pins here you pop out. You start with the top one, pop that out, there's a little spring there, and that piece, and then take this one. You don't have to pop it all the way out, just so you can get this piece out. And this whole piece will slide out. And this little bump right here, you just got to file that flat to start with, and then you got to file a small indent. We'll show you doing that. Okay, so it's a little bit of an indent, so you have to file it down and put a little bit of an indent. To file it down flat, we use this one. It's just a flat file. And to put a bit of an indent, we use a round one. You just kind of go back and forth. That way you get it pretty even. So, and then you want to use a bit of a finer one, if you can find one, and clean the burrs up a little bit so it works smoother. So we just got to put it back together and test it. Alright, so lock the bolt back and then you get to go. So doing this will most likely void your warranty, so do it at your own risk, and like the video and subscribe.